thank you so much, first of all, for always loving me and supporting me so much. So I was I just came back from my trip. Show this video to you all. I just wanted to do this video. मैं actually बताना चाहती थी आप लोगों को how I'm feeling right now. I just wanted to express it, and I got a few gifts from a person that I know. I could not share my address for obvious reasons, but she sent these to me, and these are all the gifts that I've been opening, and a few more over there. I would just want to say one thing. It's not about the gifts for me, it's about the appreciation that you have given me. These letters matter a lot to me. These really matter a lot to me. And the things that you've written in it it's just out of this world. So I just wanted to share that with you. And एक जो चीज़ आपने दी है मुझे यहाँ पर, all the gifts that you've given me, these things are really important to me. I really want you to know this, and these mean something to me. They mean a lot to me. If they mean something to you, they mean 100 times more to me. So I just wanted you to know this, and I just wanted to say thank you so much. It has given me that sort of confidence and motivation again. It's given me like a energy boost again to continue doing what I'm doing and try doing better, and to try being a better person. I just don't know what to say. I'm just so emotional right now. I don't know what to say. I'm just so thankful. Oh God, I'm so grateful, and I'm so blessed. And I will make you happy with many more things coming up very soon. But this is just very sweet and very emotional and very important to me. These things mean a lot to me. Thank you. So this is a very beautiful, बहुत ही सुंदर है, and all these things that I've got.